Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony shall now begin for the following judicial officers. Mr. Mohan Giramge Chamath Morais as the Puisne Judge in the High Court of Fiji. Ms. Vandhana as Acting Master of the High Court. And Mr. Urogoda Apuhamilage Lasitha Chaminda as Resident Magistrate in the Magistrates Court of Fiji. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Mr. Mohan Giramge Chamath Morais to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of judicial office.
I, Mohan Giramge Chamath Morais, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Mohan Giramge Chamath Morais, swear that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite Ms. Vandhana to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of judicial office.
I, Vandhana, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Vandhana, swear that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all the persons without fear, favor or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God.
Congratulations. See ya.
Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite Mr. Urogoda Apuhamilage Lasitha Chaminda to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
May it please Your Excellency, I, Urogoda Apuhamilage Lasitha Chaminda, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Urogoda Apuhamilage Lasitha Chaminda, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the court of the Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all the other laws of Fiji, and I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of the law and the right of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor, prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Congratulations. How you just want to say? All right, man. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. You know, he runs up the hill. Yeah. Good God. Oh. How are you? All right. Congratulations once again. Well done. Man. Good to see you again. All right. So, all right.